Is there such a thing as carb overload? Can it trigger migraine? That's how I feel after a meal po, kaya I do fasting. So, yes po, meron pong ganun. Yung carb overload kasi, it's simply insulin hyperstimulation. So, ibig sabihin po, sobrang nasi-stimulate yung insulin kasi nga ang taas ng sugar spike mo. So, ngayon, kung ang katawan mo is already in an insulin-resistant state, you go into the danger of hyperglycemia na ito na yung mga diabetic talaga po. Ngayon, kung hindi pa naman kayo diabetic, pero nasasobrahan yung carb intake, yes, it can also trigger that because it's insulin hyperstimulation. And that is why some people have what they call yung sugar coma, right? Yung pag nasobrahan ka ng kain ng carbs, para kang inaantok, ang sama ng pakiramdam mo. So, the good news about that, yes, pwede po kayo mag-fasting. Ngayon, kahit magfa-fasting kayo, kung hindi naman ninyo papalitan yung kinakain ninyo while fasting, what's gonna happen to your fasting is parang nawawala din yung kanyang bisa. Kung patuloy pa rin ninyo naman siyang ifa-flood yung body ninyo ng high carb, yung tuloy-tuloy po So that is why it's important to know, always go hand in hand yung low carb and fasting po. Ngayon, doon sa mga wala namang mga sakit, there's more flexibility. You can do like me, low carb Mediterranean. Kasi ang low carb has different umbrellas po yan. Depende kasi yan sa goal ninyo, depende sa estado ng inyong kalusugan. Kung kayo ay talagang matindi-tindi ang sakit, you may need to do more clean, low carb. So, pwede kayong mag-start ng keto or moderate low carb dahil nga kapag may sakit, ibig sabihin hindi talaga kaya ng katawan yung usual na carb intake. So talagang bababaan natin yung ating carb. Ano ba yung mga carbs, Doc? Ito yung mga common na mga filler food ng mga Filipinos. Rice, noodles, pasta, tinapay, colored drinks, iba't ibang juices, iba't ibang baked goods, kakanin. So these are the carbs, mga kapatid. And so if you overdo that, you definitely will have symptoms like parang nagmamigraine, sugar coma, where you feel very lethargic, para kang nangihina, na para kang inaantok after mong kumain. So certainly, yan ay reversible, basta lang alam natin ang tamang gagawin.